Feature and closing. In ZW3D 2019, users can make sketches internal to simplify history tree, thus reducing unnecessary rollbacks and speeding up regeneration. For example, create a loft surface based on the 2D and 3D sketches. If they are not associated with other features, the external sketches can be converted to internal manually. And if a sketch is created within commands, like extrude, revolve, or loft, it will be automatically labeled as internal. Sometimes you may have to edit the internal sketch. Just right-click on it and select Edit Sketch command. Then, you can edit it as a normal sketch. Or you can redefine the owning feature to edit it. History tree becomes much simpler and delivers faster history regeneration.